Good morning. This is the Law Kitchen, live and direct.
I'm getting out of this place.
It's our home.
Shit gets real. Saving myself.
So where do you live?
Kitchen.
Is it really like what they say it's like?
Yeah.
You ain't safe by yourself. What's your name? You ain't built like them.
I haven't got anywhere else to go.
What's CT?
Friend of mine.
Some friend.
We gotta go.
What's happening?
You want to know what it's like, right?
This is war.
I wish my dad prepared me.
My mom, she said he never loved her. But he would have loved me.